Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Hope you're all doing well. It's good to be back out with the camera up in the woods called Dodwood today, but I've came with a very particular purpose today. Just off to the right of me, Bassenthwaite Lake. It's actually the only lake in the Lake District. The reason I've come out today is we've had a lot of rain, yellow, amber warnings for flooding. Some Lake District towns have had some floods, bridges have been submerged, car parks overtaken, and I think I've seen a rugby club or something in Cockermouth had been flooded. Hope everyone's doing alright with all the floods. It is unfortunately quite common for us. The reason I've come to Dodwoods is to take a look at Bassenthwaite Lake and Derwent water. So Bassenthwaite Lake is the most northern of the lakes in the Lake District, and then Derwent water is just to the south of it, just beneath it, pretty much split between farmland. But with all the recent downpour that's happened in the northern lakes, it's almost merged together. The two lakes have became one, which I've never heard of that happening before. So I really wanted to come out and get some footage and images of my own. I seen it on the news yesterday while I was at work, and I was like, oh man, I wish I was there right now to go and get the drone up and fly it up and down the two lakes, but I couldn't get out, and by the time I was finished work it's getting too dark. I'm just trying to get above the tree line right now, probably go up another 100 metres, get the drone up and show you what it looks like when two lakes merge into one. Okay, I'm almost where I want to be. The lake, well, Bassenthwaite Lake back there, Derwent water back there. I've just got absolutely soaked. I've got the bag on my front because all my camera and filming equipment's in there, so I'm trying to like huddle over, protect it from the rain. That was some incredibly heavy rain. I'm absolutely soaking. I'm going to push forward, see if I can just walk out this rain, or yeah, hopefully the rain passes over so I can get the drone out. Look at that. That right there, that's Derwent. And then back there, well, this is the flood, and then behind the flood is Bassenthwaite Lake. And you can see where they would have merged together, but I want to get the drone out and show you properly. I'll carry on. Sounds like the rain's starting off again, so I'm going to put the camera away and I'll see you very soon. How are you all doing? I'm going to put me picture in picture while I fly the drone. Got the drone here. I don't really want to record any audio back at home, so I'm just going to do it all here. Throw it all in, and as I want to. You've got live action of me flying the drone. So I'm just going to explain to you. So what you can see right now is Bassenthwaite Lake, or the southern end of Bassenthwaite Lake. And about where you see the first rows of trees at the bottom end of it, that's where the lake would normally stop. But obviously it's broke its banks and came right over into the farmland. And then if I just pan the camera to the left, you can see that the water did cover all of this farmland. This will have been yesterday. As I say, I couldn't get out. Came all the way through here. You can see the sun bouncing off the water there. That's Keswick off to the left, the little village down in the left hand corner, and then Derwent water just further to the south there. Now those two are obviously separated by this farmland, but yesterday they merged together and became one enormous lake. It has started to subside now though, as you can see, just the farmland's completely saturated, and there's still, as you see me on the way up here, there's still very heavy downpours. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show you that today. I wanted to capture it on film for myself as well, because I don't think this happens too often. I'm sat on the side of Dodwood. I'm not at the summit. I'm probably just over halfway from the summit of Dod, but I've gone the very, very long way to summit it if you were going to, because I've skirted around the edge because I wanted to get this viewpoint. I'll show you where I'm sat right now. Switch back. So I'm just sat next to a stump. This is a logged area. Just sat with the drone. Seen a few people on the way up, just dog walkers. I've never been to this bit before, but very nice area, very nice spot. Anyway, I'm going to fly the drone a little bit more, get some nice cinematic shots for you, and I will catch you in the next one. Signing off from Dodwood. Peace. Okay. This video isn't going to plan. I'll just crash the drone, pushing the drone forward to come back to me, and it was still going away from me. it was still going at like 4 meters a second away, so that wind was really strong. I've had to land the drone, well, wherever I could. And you see on this screen here, so the blue dot is me, and the arrow is my drone. It landed fine, it just landed in an open field. I had to dodge a few trees on the way down. It's gonna take me at least 45 minutes to get to the thing, just to get off the side of Dodwood. What was actually going through my mind while I was flying it and while I was doing the emergency landing. So I was up at about, I don't know, 120 metres or so, 110 metres, and I was pushing it towards us and it was going 2.2 metres per second. And then I looked at the viewfinder, so then I realised that it was actually going 2.2 metres per second away from me, even though I was full throttle pushing forward. So then my thought was, bring it lower, even though I am higher. You know, I'm higher than the drone at this point, because I'm on the side of Dodwood. But if I can get behind Dodwood with the drone, you know, get out the wind, and then I'll just lift it up with the tree line. So I started to do that, but the wind got even worse, going 4 meters per second backwards, and then 6 meters per second backwards. It was just getting completely thrown away from us. There's sheep below me, just off to the side of the road, the main road. The sheep started to scatter out the way, just missed a couple of trees on the way down. I still get knocked about by the wind, and then it took fully control. I had no control of the actual drone at this point, and it just parked itself on the floor. Hopefully it's not in the way of like farmers' tractors or quads or anything like that. Hopefully the sheep don't trample it. We're running down the side of Dodwood. And go on a road adventure. Find this drone. Okay, we're here, but we're right next to people's houses. We're right at someone's farm. Okay. Right. Technically trespassing right now, but the drone should literally be in this field. I don't want to be here too long. Where is it? Hopefully we don't get seen. There it is. It's here. Here he is. He's soaking. Is he still on? He's not still on. Let's get out of these. Oh, right, let's get out of these people's property. Oh, we saved it. Right, I'm going to leave you here, because I did do an outro all the way up there. But signing off from someone else's farm. Catch you in the next one. Peace.